Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tomica Table, and today I have with me a number 21 2 replica series Subaru 360. And from now on, I'm gonna try to actually tell you the accurate series and model number of the car. So for example, this one is 21 right here, but it is the second 21s, and therefore it is 21 2. So yeah, I'm gonna try and follow that format right here for all the mainline series cars because, you know, it's a bit more detailed way to explain the cars. Well, anyway, here we have a 1 to 50 scale, so this car is already pretty small, and since it's at a larger scale, it is still really small, so the actual car must be pretty small. So anyway, enough of the small stuff. Here we go, Subaru 360 at the bottom, the picture of the car right here. Tomica 21 on the top, the silhouette of the car, Japanese, and below it's the warning label right here. There's no English version of this on the bottom, and on the back it's just the 30th anniversary as well as Tommy and the year 2000, made in China. So anyway, down to the car right here. And if you guys don't know, all the cars in the replica black box series have white wheels, white 5-studded wheels. In fact, there are no chrome wheels as I have seen in all the previous cars, and that's pretty interesting that they are all in white. So anyway, I guess it's to distinguish between that and the original car if you somehow manage to swap out the base. So anyway, down to the car right here, we have no tambo for the Subaru logo, although we do have silver front light tambos. The bonnet actually opens on this model, and it's pretty blank inside. Also, 21.2 is molded into the top of the hood right here, so that's pretty cool as well. And the bumper right here is connected to the base in metal, in one metal piece. Now anyway, right here for our windscreen, we have just pure transparent. And for the interior, it's fully detailed red. For the rear of the car right here, we actually have quite a detailed engine bay. Well, even though you can't really see it properly. And the number plate right there, as well as the hatch to open the engine. So that's pretty cool for this car right here. It's not a front engine drive like the... Actually, I think the Volkswagen is a rear engine as well. Kind of forgot my Volkswagen, so... yeah, do let me know down in the comments if this is similar to the Volkswagen or completely different. So anyway, for this side we have a little air vent type thing here at the back. Looks kind of like a vent, but you know, it's an older car, so it could be something else. So, as you probably noticed, the roof is a completely different color to the rest of the car, and it's black, and for some reason on the box it's white, and then the real car, the roof is black. So yeah, it looks pretty interesting that there is a difference from the box and the car. For the base right here, we do have Subaru 360 made in China and 1 to 50 scale. So yeah, full metal base, highly detailed, and actually pretty good with the old Tomica logo, but it doesn't have the kids right here. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for today's video. It's the replica version of number 21 2. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Do like, comment, and subscribe.